The Delhi High Court has granted the National Investigation Agency (NIA) additional 4 weeks to file its rejoinder in the agency's appeal seeking the death penalty for illegally detained Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front JKLF chairman Mohammad Yasin Malik, who is currently serving a life sentence in a politically motivated case. According to Kashmir Media Service, a division bench of Justice Naveen Chawla and Justice Ravinder Dudeja allowed the request made on behalf of the NIA, observing that the appellant's counsel required more time to respond. The court has now listed the matter for further hearing on April 22nd. During the proceedings, Special Public Prosecutor Yasin Malik, appearing for the NIA, sought additional time to file a reply to Yasin Malik's detailed reply opposing the plea for enhancement of sentence. The NIA has challenged the May 2022 trial court judgment that sentenced Yasin Malik to life imprisonment under the Draconian Unlawful Activities Prevention Act UAPA in the fake case. The trial court had ruled that the case did not file within the rarest of rare category warranting capital punishment. Mohammad Yasin Malik, a symbol of Kashmir's political resistance, has been held in solitary confinement in Delhi's Tihar jail for years, during which his health has reportedly deteriorated. He has consistently described the case against him as politically motivated. At the previous hearing in November 2025, the NIA had sought in-camera proceedings for the appeal. Yasin Malik, who appeared through video conferencing from Tihar jail, had then complained of how psychological distress due to a prolonged delay of nearly 3 years in the justification of the appeal. In his affidavit, Malik declared that he was prepared to face the death penalty if imposed, drawing a comparison with the executed Kashmiri liberation leader Muhammad Maqbool Butt.